A few moments later.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
People are one. People, boy, may I tell you, it was a rough weekend. You see me, but just I get back my phone, people, may I tell you. You see me, my phone mash up over the weekend. You see me, yeah, but so me don't know what going. You see, so people, you don't know. I have to come review the Alkaline show. I never watch it full live. I just get some clippings. You understand? Cause trust me, you don't know anything said. You see it, and I've met the people them know. Say, oh, the show was epic. You understand? Epic, the energy up. So you don't know. Need to first go to work. You have to go in your review and make you know hear what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man. So hear what I go on now. So you don't know this are the entrance, the Vendetta entrance. You see me? You don't know the intro already. The little matrix thing, you see it?
Failure has been detected. Power grid integrity compromised. Critical system failure. Restoration protocols have failed. Power grid offline. Initiating emergency contingency sequence. Expert authorization required. Tracing origin.
So you don't know summer stage Trinidad. You see it? Yeah, man. Sat there, gone.
Location confirmed. Connection established. Confirmed. En route. Authentication accepted. Generating master key. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yo, you see that intro, yeah? This is one of the baddest intro me ever see. For your artist. Sick. Sell off. Yo, you see that youth, yeah? That youth, yeah, change the game and you come change the game again. Remember me tell you that. Yeah, man. You hear that? Left from my school straight top with on a bus. Look at the Vendetta bus right now. You see me? So look, this is one close up now. Close, like, you see me? Same intro, everything, but you don't know. This is more up, near close to the stage.
En route. Authentication accepted. Generating master key. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. Is it? You see me? Yeah, man, people. It's not normal. So look at now. This Alkaline enter the stage. Yeah, this is when you walk go up on the stage. You see me?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, man, I like summer stage. I rate that intro, yeah. It's tough. That fireworks thing, yeah, it not normal. Summer stage, trust me, when I go hard, I tell you that. See me? Yeah, man, big up Nick SFB for that one, yeah. Alright, so this now, I like pan the stage while I enter the stage. Alright, this is now in the crowd while I enter the stage. Superstar level. You see the artist here? You can't hold him back. Remember me tell you that. You see me? You see them entrance here? And there's some baby entrance this. There's some mega entrance. Remember me tell you that. Man bounce we do this dog. Yo, see sometime in a dance hall, you have to just watch and hear them attack, you know. You understand? Because remember, you know, you don't see nothing yet. You understand? You don't see nothing yet. Remember, wait till Alkaline drop something. Let me tell you this. Alkaline ready, anybody run up, get it. You understand? Ready when ready here. Yeah, 9 seat, you see me here. Big up every blood clot bad picking here, big up every bomb clot man with fire gun. So this is the moment where you know you live a life and people want to live a next life. You understand? So you don't know, you have to make people know say, yo, we just do our own thing and live our own life. You understand? No program.
You cannot like Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
Come
on to it. Yo, you see that song, yeah? Trust me. It's not normal. Rate that song, yeah. Ready. Anything. You understand? Yeah, man. Wait the people, wait the car. Yeah, man. Gyal, good session. Yeah, man, Gyal good at mash up your place. Yo, a we lucky city, man, our world. you don't know my side of the story, the girl them love this. People don't realize the rain a fall. And the girl them a sing out, them a say, oh yeah, young lad up on the stage and now got them yard. People, you know, the worst thing, the suit, the Alkaline Avan, you know, a waterproof. A waterproof to a leather, you know, so you know, so rain not do it, nothing. You understand? So you don't know formula. Nobody know me, I vengeance in me heart, you know. Alright, people. Them say Alkaline not interact with him fans, them. Sometimes I wonder, sometimes I just feel like I just a hate thought that. Yeah, man, cause there's a lot of clippings. But see one, yeah? Alright, look ya now. Them say him not interact. Look ya now. Alright, people. La la la. Challenge. Listen this. Alright, you don't know. That song, yeah. People who have got through trial and tribulation, yeah, man. You see me, but we're gonna find it and make it through.
See what a ras in bars. Really want to know what I do. When you go to my stage, we suffering every day. But when we ever do. Everybody does a fall away. Alright then, we have to dance up like every day.
We like the city.
Everybody, I am a theory. One of the same. If you touch me to really good. What I'm able to say, but not pick it.
Yo, people, this not normal. Me I tell you that here. Yeah, man, we in a crowd, man. Make you go on.
Believe me, it's so easy. They can't say shit.
Alright, so we're going to fans them right now, where fans them are going to tap in to the song. Alright, so the next fans, you know. good. It's a #1 song down at Trinidad right now. So look here now. A bag of people attack. You understand? But you don't know Alkaline got to work. The girl followed up on the stage, Alkaline and Rose. You see me? But you see the thing is that a lot of people don't understand. You see me? Yeah, a lot of people don't understand what go on. So Alkaline just make the girl do her thing. Dance to Gyal good.
Good. Work, Gyal good, Gyal good. You put it up here. Hey, I'm Mr. Work, Gyal. Wake up, two, this, shit, good, Gyal. One.
So you don't know after all. Yeah, man. So you don't know the one you're Cree. Walk your back, Cree. Yeah, man. I tell the people in and out. Yeah, man, side girl. Yo, you better tell you, say, yo, them can't stop that youth. And full of hits. If you tell you. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man. People, that's Me the Fox highlight. Trinidad show. It was a wonderful show, people. The fans them enjoy themselves. Trinidad, you know, a bag of thing a go on. You see it. You don't know Alkaline go to work. He just go there and just shell show and just cut. You understand? Do the job and get the hell out of there. But you don't know one Me the Fox. You see me? There is no other. You see it? Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. You don't know. Alkaline always say what? From you put in the work, you have the formula though. Yeah, man, you don't know a mad thing, man. That is it.